Now, next question is, after 2 successive increment, Gopal's salary became 187.5% of his initial salary. If the percentage of salary increase in the second increment was twice that of the first increment, then the percentage salary increase in the first installment is. Okay. Let us say the increment in salary in the first installment was A%, right. So, let us say in the first installment salary increased by A%, in the second installment let us say it is increased twice. So, it is 2A%, right. Okay. Now, we have this formula if of successive percentage change, if something changed by A% and again it is changed by B%, overall change is A plus B plus AB by 100%, right. Okay. So, if there is increase, we will take the plus sign, if there decrease we will write the minus sign. If overall answer comes positive, means there is increase, if overall sign is coming negative, that means there is a decrease. Now, here both are increment, so we can apply this formula, overall change will be A plus 2A plus A into 2A, right, A into 2A by 100%. This is the overall increment, right. Okay. Here we can see that Gopal's salary become this much, 187.5%. So, how much in the increment? Initial salary was 100%, right. So, from 100% his salary has become 187.5%. So, increment is 87.5%. So, this is equal to 87.5%. Now, we can remove the percentage sign from both sides. So, it will be A plus 2A, that is 3A. So, it is 3A plus this is 2A square by 100 and this is equal to 87.5. So, you see this is 3A plus 2, I can cancel 2 with 100, 50 times. So, it is A square by 50 and that is equals to 87.5. Now, we can write 87.5 equal to 175 by 2 and we can cross multiply and we can solve the quadratic equation, but that will be quite time consuming. Do not do that. What you can do is, you think about the options, right. If I take this option, let us say 27.5, 27.5 into 3, already it will cross, I mean 27 into 3, 81 point something and 27 square. Better one thing, okay, let us do one thing, better let us keep it like 2A square by 100 only, okay. Let us write it as 2A square by 100 only. Now, let us put the options. If you take 27.5 into 3, it will be 81 and 1.5, 82.5, 82.5, 27.5 square, right. It is already 727 square is 729, 729 into double 1858, 18% more, right, by 100. So, 81 plus 82 plus 18, it will cross 100. So, this can't be the answer, right. Okay. If I take 25 as the option, let us see 25. 25 into 3, 25 into 3 is 75 plus 75, 25 is square, okay. 625, 625 into 2, 1250, 1250 divided by 100, 12.5, right, and 75 plus 12.5 is 87.5, right. So, just by plug in we saw that 25 is satisfying, right. So, 25 is the answer. So, answer is option 2. I think it is clear, right. Okay.